This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about plates, specifically these mini porcelain plates. And we have several styles of these white porcelain plates to show you. The first is the mini triangular dish. It's 4 inches across and features a 1-inch depth. And you can see it's got those nice little slopes to the side, and it has a nice little triangle area in the center, so it can contain just a little bit of sauce, topping, maybe even a little bit of a gravy, and it's great for perfectly presenting little small bites with a nice modern flair. Next, we have the square white mini dish. This one is 2.5 inches across and features a 3/4 inch depth. And you can see it's a nice, clean, square shape with those straight up sides that just gives you a great crisp presentation. And it's fantastic for a nice modern look and presenting anything with just a little bit of sauce. Next, we have the mini modern plate. And this one is 3 inches across and features a 1-inch depth. And you can see it's got that nice little bit of flair on those sides that really give it just a little touch of style and really help to elevate those foods just a little bit. Next, we have the mini edge plate. This one is square as well and just features a slight edge or rim to give it a tiny bit of subtle detail, but it's really a very flat and minimalistic presentation. Next, we have the heart plate, and this one is 3¼ inches by 3 and features a 3/4 inch depth. So it's got just a little bit of a shallow bowl to it, and it's a sweet presentation, that cute heart shape, especially for a little sweet treat. So great for a small bite of dessert, maybe presenting a few truffles or mints. And last, we have the shell plate. This one is 3 inches across, and it's a nice flat little dish. It's perfect for doing little bites of seafood, whether that's a single shucked oyster or just a small seafood appetizer. These add just a little bit of that seafood themed flair to your presentations. There are other shapes, sizes, and styles available in this line, and they all feature that pristine white porcelain finish that make the perfect backdrops to really make your foods pop and present that nice, clean presentation you're looking for. The porcelain plates are chip resistant and will maintain their look and stand up to really heavy commercial use. They're perfect for the presentation of small bites, appetizers, using for tasting menus, and even for petite portions of dessert. They're also great to use for things like small butter plates or even the presentation of, say, truffles or mints with your guest check. These are a great option for any establishment looking for durable yet stylish, reusable plates for small bites.